All right, traders, we're here to go over a nice bit of review on some stocks. First and foremost, Coinbase coming alive a little bit today. Earnings, I believe, are around the corner according to TradingView. In fact, let's actually go to Earnings Whisper really quick and see if we can verify that at all. TradingView sometimes, and by sometimes, and most of the time, is a little bit off. May 13th. Okay, so it is right around the corner. Long story short, I don't expect anything crazy on earnings. If anything, it probably gaps up and trades lower or gaps down and trades lower. Either way, I'm waiting to buy some. I don't have any Coinbase at all right now in any of my portfolios. Trend is still bearish, and I'm just waiting for it to go a little bit lower before I start buying some. However, cryptos have been just absolutely tearing it up. Ethereum went as high as $4,200 on the nose today. I had a target at 44444. That did not hit, unfortunately, which is all good. But I definitely expect some pullbacks to happen, my friends. I think the Dogecoin pullback was the easiest thing to, obviously you had to know that it was going to pull back after Saturday Night Live. Come on. So Doge dollar on many exchanges pulling back massively. And again, I really think at RLT, we were all over that. We knew it. We talked about it. We discussed it. We said it weeks and weeks in advance. And this is the post that's been going around. Stop asking why it's dumping. This is why. So random, we know. But anyway, Dogecoin, very fun. I'm glad that it's up for people who are in it and people buying it. Remember my favorite saying: if it has a chart, it has a heart. There were a lot of really fantastic opportunities out there as far as gaps are concerned. My friends, the trade desk is going lower. This is one of the strongest, most bearish gaps I've ever seen in my life. I'm not exaggerating. Really strong gap, lower highs on multiple time frames. Really ironic because they announced, I think, a 10-for-1 split, which is awesome. That's going to allow us to get in really cheaply as far as per share price is concerned on the trade desk. But I do think it's going to go lower. 445 at this point is almost a certainty with that type of gap on a weekly and daily chart. As low as maybe 290, I'm not sure. But if it does go down there on after the split, I probably will pick some up, especially if it can go back to that 275 level. But for right now, short, man, that is so strong of a gap. Netflix, NFLX, we had a swing trade on Netflix set up to get in not too long ago, and we did get stopped out of that today. I did buy some puts on Netflix, and also am enjoying this 570, 580, 460, 450 bull put spread. Bull put spread's a little bit underwater right now, but that's why I got into some puts on Netflix just in case it goes a little bit lower to protect that. The weekly chart, we're still really far away from those long-term moving averages, and we're starting to get below all the weekly averages. So keep your eyes out on Netflix. There is a slight bit of bearishness brewing on that one. It's below most of the main time frames, and of course your Momo has been long on Netflix for a while. So if you shorted into those moving averages there at 512, aka shorted off the 200 simple moving average right here, aka shorted off of the retest gap right there, well done, good job, congratulations. Beyond Meat, BYND, had an iron condor on Beyond Meat that expired worthless. And now, again, one to keep your eyes on, my dear friend. Volume came in. We took out the volume the very next day. The weekly chart looks like we're breaking massive amounts of support. If this thing retests this 117 level, probably a good idea to look for a short on that one overall. So many stocks I could review for you, my dear friends, but go ahead and post in the comments section below. What are some things that you want me to review for next Wednesday? Here is my day trade of the day. I did have a winner and a loser, but the winner far outweighed the loser. This is APPS, Digital Turbine. One of the main reasons I played this one is because it was a perfect bearish gap and go. White candle gapping down. In fact, not only was it a white candle gapping down, it was also a high wave white candle gapping down, and it retested a bear retest gap on May the 6th, which I also played on apps that day. Retested on Friday. We're below, again, what looks like a multi-top head and shoulders pattern. Really good gap and go. I'm expecting some more bearishness over the next few days, but this is how we played it, or at least how I played it on a 1 minute chart. Yeah, your boy was feeling a little aggressive this morning. Very first 1 minute candle that came out, I'll hide all my lines. There's your bullish 1 minute candle. Very pretty candle. Very easy to short below that candle. And blah-jam, there was kind of the setup on it. And that was the rollover. So, and this is the exact order entry and setup for that particular trade. You'll be able to see my exit for the partial, and you'll be able to see the exit for the entire trade. Again, gorgeous trade. That took all of 30 minutes on apps to find that gap and go to play it. You could have played it on pretty much any time frame, 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart. Here's the 5-minute time frame, right? Again, great gap, retested the moving averages, failed there. Really, really pretty trades overall out there in the markets today. Congratulations for all those who know how to play the markets when they go down. If you don't, make sure to pop over to reallifetrading.com. We teach you in the beginner section for free how to short stuff. Buy puts, we'll teach that also in the advanced trading, also for free. My friends from around the world, thank you for giving Real Life Trading an extremely high Trustpilot rating. In fact, one of, if not the highest Trustpilot rating, and not only all of the internet, but all of the stock market education companies out there. 4.9 stars with 397 reviews. So if you do like what Real Life Trading provides for you, if you would like to give us a 5-star review for enriching your life, pop over to Real Life Trading, click on that little Trustpilot, and give us some love. Ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it. I'll be back on Wednesday. Go ahead, in the comment section below, throw at me what you want me to look at, and I'll be there. You guys rock. Bye.